In continuation with my previous lecture, I am going to tell you how some basic rules with the help of which you can solve simple problems on op-amp. The first one is V out equals to A naught V plus minus V minus. A naught is the amplifier's gain, V output is the output voltage, which is equal to the product of the gain and the difference of voltages at the two leads, at the positive lead and the negative lead. This expression says that an ideal op-amp acts like an ideal voltage source that supplies an output voltage equal to A naught V plus minus V minus. It follows three rules. The first one is, for an ideal op-amp, the open loop voltage gain is infinite. What does mean that even if you are not applying any input, it will supply infinite output. I know this is not possible practically, but just assume that it is. In ideal cases, for a real op-amp, the gain is some finite values and it is typically between 104 to 106. The next rule says that for an ideal op-amp, the input impedance is infinite, that is, it can draw no current under ideal conditions. You can see here the diagram of an ideal op-amp. Here there is infinite, the resistance here is infinite. There is open circuit between the two voltages and therefore it cannot draw any current inside. The rule 3 is the input terminals of an ideal op-amp draw no current, which is same as the previous one. Practically speaking, in real op-amp case, we also say that it draws negligible amount of current. These three rules will help you in solving any problem. You can solve any problem on op-amp using only these three basic rules. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, the output impedance of an ideal op-amp is 0. It acts as a short circuit. You can see a real op-amp picture is also given side by side. You can compare these two pictures and easily see that in ideal case there is open circuit between the two leads, but in real case, real op-amps, this is not the case. There is some resistance, some finite resistance values between the two leads. Thank you. Hope you like it.